Hello, it's almost holiday of April 30th. Today we'll go to the kitchen to make stewed chicken with shiitake mushrooms. To make this dish, we need a chicken about 1.5 kilograms, shiitake mushroom, ginkgo, jujube, fresh vermicelli served with. For shiitake mushroom, we choose dry mushroom for better taste. Depending on taste, you can replace ginkgo with lotus seeds, add a little goji berry, and a few slices of ginseng. Carrots, shallots, onions, and cilantro just enough. A fresh coconut for juice and a little garlic. First, we soak ginkgo and shiitake mushrooms in water for a few minutes. Peel the shallots and keep them ready. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Finely chop the shallots and garlic to marinate the chicken. Pour the ginkgo in boiling water. For carrots, peel the outer layer. Score along the taproot and cut into round slices to create flower petals. Peel the onion and cut it into wedges. Soak jujubes in water and wash. Take out the cooked ginkgo and peel it. Put cooking oil in a pot. Add a few anise to give the dish a nice color. And fry the onion and garlic. Stir fry the chicken until firm and fragrant. Add coconut water and fill the water to the pot and start stewing. Put carrots, jujubes, and ginkgo into the stew together. Add onions to the stew to add flavor. When the chicken is cooked, we ladle it into a bowl. Decorate the dish with a little cilantro. Chicken stew with shiitake mushroom can be eaten with rice or rice vermicelli. This dish can be used for everyday meals or for parties. Here we will eat it with fresh vermicelli and soy sauce. You can add snow fungus, straw mushrooms, and king oyster mushrooms to cook together if you like. You can also omit ginkgo and jujube if you are not used to eating them. The dish has beautiful colors and delicious taste. The chicken is soft and sweet with a faint scent of shiitake mushrooms and jujubes. On hot summer days, if you want to change a meal with a nutritious dish, this is not a bad choice.